Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power on the JBL Quantum 810 and ensure it has charge. A low battery can stop pairing. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the screen stays visible. Put the headset into Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing and holding the power and Bluetooth buttons until the LED flashes. This signals the headset is discoverable. Once done, keep both devices within a few feet to avoid interference while you continue to the next connection step. Now you'll make the actual Bluetooth link from the iPhone. With Bluetooth open, watch the other devices list for JBL Quantum 810 to appear. It may take 5-15 seconds. Tap the device name when it appears, and if a confirmation or PIN prompt shows, accept it. Typically, no PIN is required. After a few moments, the status should update to connected or show audio output, indicating pairing succeeded. If you plan to use low latency mode, check the headset app or settings next to Finish by confirming audio and chat functions work. Play a song or video and adjust volume on your iPhone and headset to find balance. Then open the JBL SoundJar app if available to apply firmware updates or custom EQ. This improves compatibility. For voice chat, select the headset as the input/output in your app. If pairing fails, reset the Quantum 810 by holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then repeat pairing. This clears faults and often resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.